Look at this. Happy Thanksgiving. Hi, Marshall. Are you in the snow? Look at you, snow boy. You just want your bowl. Oh, it is, what do you call this? A flurry? Yeah. A McFlurry? It's a McFlurry on Thanksgiving here. Oh, this is just gorgeous. I'm totally here for this. We got a fire going. Boy. Since it is just us two up here for Thanksgiving up on the property, I'm just gonna make a chicken and wild rice soup. All dark meat, some veggies. I don't know, something like homey, you know, and really good. I also got a really good sourdough bread that I'll make like cheese toasties with, like garlic cheese toasties with. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna do that and I'll vlog it for you and you can come along my journey while I cook and keep me company. So cute. Rico boy. He'll go and go and go for that ball. Marshall, you hungry? You want to eat some food? You hungry? What is it? Go get it. What is it? You want to go outside? You gonna shake off? You better shake all that stuff off. You better shake it all off, Marshall. Look at you, snow dog. Were you made for the snow, Rico? Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. What? Your little toesies aren't cold, Rico? Goodness gracious. So we've got the generator going. So we're trying to scramble a lean-to keep that weatherproof. Holy crap, look at that. We're not obviously getting any sun today. Look at the garden. My poor garden. Look at rosemary still going strong. That's absolutely crazy. My apple tree is doing pretty good too. I probably should cover that up. Look who wants inside. I'll come and rescue you. Come here, Rocco. I got you. You ready to go inside? Yeah, I bet you're cold. Go ahead and get my camper full of water. I should put some Christmas lights on this pine tree and call it my Christmas tree for the year. That one's pretty too. There it is, the Christmas tree. Ah, what a view. Everything's nice and white. My bird bath is filled with snow. Oh boy, beautiful. The Airstream looks good with snow on her. Oh yeah. The outhouse looks good. Oh yeah. Beautiful hill and my big beautiful tree. I want to swing. I want to attach a swing right there and have a swing overlooking the view. Boy, my fingers are cold. My goodness, cold and dry. Oh, fire feels good. Snow boot ASMR, walking in the snow and hearing the crunching sound. Love it. Oh, it's back. Look, Starlink is covered. Oh, this is like, we're getting BBs. Uh-huh. Ah. It's perfect. It's temporary, but it's doing the job. Okay, I know these babies are hungry. How about it? Who's hungry? All right. Okay. So I made their food last night live on TikTok. I always like to go live on TikTok, kill two birds with one stone. And plus, I adore going live on TikTok because I can jam out to my music. Unfortunately, YouTube just doesn't have that option. We got food for the babies. Okay, here's one bowl. Come on back here, Jen. This is your quarters. There you go. Rocco, we're gonna go out to the front. All right, babies are fed. All right, so I'm busting out my favorite thing in the world, my pressure cooker, my small, teeny, tiny pressure cooker. I love it. This is my favorite thing to cook in because typically I'm only cooking for 2 people, and this is enough just to cook for 2 people and maybe have like some leftovers for the next day. Wow, I'm all wet from the snow. Wow. So I have boneless chicken thighs. That's the only chicken I really like personally. Get a white onion going. All right, put a little onion in there. A little onion. Get a little butter. Saute the onions up real good. That's 101 for soups. Gotta have sauteed onions. Get your seasonings going. And put your meat in some water. We're gonna let I like to cook my chicken for, I like to let my chicken cook for at least 35, 40 minutes on high pressure in my little pressure cooker. Doesn't need much more than that, honestly. Okay, let's see. So I'm thinking white pepper, maybe the rest of this truffle sea salt. Alright, let's see, a little cumin. Maybe a little, look, wait, no, I got a habanero pepper instead of cayenne. I'm definitely gonna put the Italian seasoning. Let's see, what else do I got? Oh, we're gonna put oregano in there. Definitely some garlic powder. I'm putting everything in there. All right, so these are all the seasonings I'm gonna use to cook my chicken. We're getting these going good. So I'm not the biggest fan of measuring. So I put as much as I want to in there. And then once I'm done, I will put a little more if I need a little bit more sea salt. But all the other seasonings should probably be perfect. But I probably am gonna want a little more sea salt in there after everything's said and done. But I like to eyeball it. I don't know if that's good or not, but yeah. Okay. 1 thigh, 2 thigh, 3 thigh, 4 thigh, 5 thigh, 6 thigh, 7 thigh, 8 thigh, 9 thigh, 10 thigh, 11 thigh, 12 thigh, 13 thigh, 14 thigh, 15 thigh, 16 thigh, 17 thigh, 18 thigh, 19 thigh, 20 thigh, 21 thigh, 22 thigh, 23 thigh, 24 thigh, 25 thigh, 26 thigh, 27 thigh, 28 thigh, 29 thigh, 30 thigh, 31 thigh, 32 thigh, 33 thigh, 34 thigh, 35 thigh, 36 thigh, 37 thigh, 38 thigh, 39 thigh, 40 thigh, 41 thigh, 42 thigh, 43 thigh, 44 thigh, 45 thigh, 46 thigh, 47 thigh, 48 thigh, 49 thigh, 50 thigh, 51 thigh, 52 thigh, 53 thigh, 54 thigh, 55 thigh, 56 thigh, 3 thigh. Oh my God, that was close. And 4. Okay, good deal. Make sure everything's good. Perfect. Put my lid on. Click. Alright, I'm gonna put my thing on 2. Put it on high until my thing goes up, and then once my pressure gets to the point where I want it, I will set the timer and I'll wait 35 minutes and we'll bust this open. Until then, let's get to chopping. We got some veggies to cut up. Oh yeah, I bet you want to try it, don't you? You want to drink my green tea, baby. Oh, I'm just kidding. Maybe I'm not, but cheers. I think I make the best green tea, hands down. Okay, winter in a camper. We are in an area that completely freezes, so we can't have any water in our camper. At least water sitting in the pipes if we're not here. So what we did, we drained everything out. I have my valve and everything is open for any type of water, gray water that goes into here. It flows right into my huge hole that I have for this for the gray water. You know, specifically, I use non-harsh chemicals, eco-friendly soap, and I use water and vinegar to clean everything. I stay away from hard chemicals. So anything I use and that goes down this sink is eco-friendly. This is interesting because this year we bought this thing right here, and this is an outdoor shower. Okay, so what happens is this part goes into your water source. So boom, okay, that's in there. This turns it on. Watch this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby's washing dishes. All right, so how cool is that idea? I literally have running water without having to have it in my camper. Oh, it's just, seriously, my little heart melted. I was like, how am I supposed to wash dishes? And we came up with this. So, not only is it an outdoor shower, it literally, it's, you can wash your dishes in the middle of winter. All right, so I'm going to get these dishes done. My chicken is complete. We're going to let that just sit there, and then we're going to chop up some vegetables. But I had to share this little unique system. I don't know. I thought this was cool. Yep. I love it. 2 for 1, baby. You can't beat that. What I like to do is put my soap in and just kind of transfer it to each thing, so I don't have to use that much water while I'm doing this, and I can kind of wash everything with the bit of soap that I already have out. I'm so thankful that I'm able to do my dishes, because there's just no way that I could function without being able to do my dishes. Like, I just, you know, the day that I have a, you know, a barn dominium out here, or a cabin, I want a cabin on that hill back there. You know, the day that I get that will be really awesome. And until then, I am thoroughly enjoying this camper. I really am so thankful for it. I mean, I don't know. I'm obsessed. I really do enjoy this Airstream. And, you know, one day when I get my barn built, I will be able to rent this out and let you guys stay in it as like an Airbnb. I think that'd be so awesome. Like, you're watching me do my thing in it, but then you come and rent it out and stay in it, and you're like, hey, I'm in Margot's kitchen. Like, I think that's freaking awesome. So, in my veggie box, I've got celery. Asparagus is for the lamb chops that I got. I won't be using that tonight. Okay. Also, Got some carrots. I'm kind of obsessed with parsley, so I'm putting all this in there. I have 1 habanero pepper, but I'll probably use just like maybe 2/4 of this because it is pretty hot. Then I also have 4 little radishes. I'll probably cut it up and make them look like it's like it tricks your mind and like it's like potatoes. Yeah. Yeah, I got lamb chops in the freezer, and I love cooking lamb chops. They're in the freezer, and I'll pressure cook the lamb chops with the asparagus. I mean, I won't pressure cook the asparagus. I'll saute the asparagus, but pressure cook the lamb chops. So good. Perfect. Chop, 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 chop it up. Chop, chop, chop it up. Alright, we're just gonna put a little bit of this habanero in there. I chose to put dried chanterelles, anyway, chanterelle, or however you say it. I chose to get these tonight and put it in there. I know when you like have freeze-dried morel mushrooms, they taste better. So I figured, you know what? I'm gonna try some freeze-dried chanterelles and see how good they taste in the soup. So this is the mushrooms that I'm gonna be putting in the soup tonight. All right, we're bringing these babies back to life here. Look at how, oh my goodness, just, oh, look at that, oh my goodness. Ooh, you know that's good, baby. All right, there's my broth. All right, my chicken broth. We're gonna put the veggies right in there. Oh, talk about delicious. Delicioso. Oh my goodness. Wow, that looks so good. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. All day. Chanterelles in there. All right. Wow. And we wait while blend rice. Butter out. Butter in there. Alright. Once that starts boiling, I'll put my rice in there, and we're gonna make some rice, so we'll see how this comes out. Oh my goodness. Taste test. My veggies are done. They don't take as long as the meat does. With a vegetable, you kind of want like a flash cook. So basically, once this gets up and you can see that, then you shut it off and then you release immediately. Otherwise, your vegetables will be too cooked and be like mushy. And right, I like mine just a little bit, you know, where it texturized or whatever. So veggies are done. We're gonna release the pressure. Rice is cooking. We got the chicken right here ready to shred up and put right on it. So, I don't know, Thanksgiving is looking promising. Very excited for this. Look at that. All right. Oh boy. Good deal. Wow, this looks delicious. taste test. Oh my goodness, habanero in there. Alright, I'm gonna put the rest of this truffle salt right on in there. That should be plenty. We'll stir it up, give it another taste test, see where we're at. Wow, just the rawness of the broth is just amazing. Honestly, really doesn't need too much. So let's stir this rice. Oh. That's so good. I'm glad I didn't put the whole habanero pepper in there. We wouldn't have been able to eat it. It's hot. Come here, get you a little piece. Come here. All right, babies, get a little taste test. All right, Marshall. Good boy. All right, Rocco. It's just chicken. He had to smell it. All right, how'd you like it? Was it good? Was it good? All right, I guess it was good. It's beautiful shredded dark meat chicken. Oh, that looks so good. Wow. Rice is looking really good. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. Put a little rice. Wow. Absolutely. Oh my gosh. I'd have to, oh man, if I could gloat and toot my own horn, I'd say I am a master chef. Oh. All right, well, here is your small portion. We ate a little bit of a late lunch, so. Oh, I didn't. I can't believe I forgot the toast. We'll make it quick. All right. So I chose it's a goat, a cheddar goat cheese. So that's what's gonna be on the toasty tonight. Oh man, I think that's a goat Gouda. Oh no, cheddar. Wow, almost tastes like a Gouda. Super perfect. And we are using a sourdough bread. Sourdough bread is more along the lines of a better bread if you're going to eat bread, which we tend to steer clear from bread. But it's Thanksgiving, and I figured, you know what, cheese toasty with the soup, good idea. Letting that melt just a little bit longer. Oh, they look so good. Yay. My cheese toasties. I like to cut them in half. Into 4 pieces, just like that. Happy Thanksgiving. It's served. And here it is. This is my Thanksgiving chicken and wild rice soup. Yay, looks so good. And I got the sourdough cheese toasties to go right with it. Can't beat that. Okay. Maybe you can beat that, especially if you're over at your grandma's or your mom's homemade cooking right now. I guarantee that's probably up there and could beat mine. But, okay, let's see. Wow. I'll say 10 out of 10. Wow, eat a big chanterelle. Bottom free. I'll tell you what, the freeze-dried mushrooms hit different. I don't mind fresh mushrooms, but they're really good. Loving the texture. Wow. Happy Thanksgiving. Well, happy Thanksgiving. It was snowing. It was snowing today. Yeah. Happy Thanksgiving. It was snowing and everything today for us, so wow. So, yeah. I guess that's it. Guess I'm gonna go and enjoy my Thanksgiving meal. And thank you for joining and watching. Hope you liked it. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. And yeah, throw them up. I just got done editing the video, and we set out 4 mouse traps, like the old school ones where it just like, and
because of the poop,
it went off. There's a dead mouse over there now. Like, we got one. So this morning I opened my cabinets, I cleaned everything, and it was like a mouse was in there last night just having a field day in there. And so I was like, okay, we gotta get him tonight. Like, we gotta get him. We just got him. I don't even want to go deal with this problem. Like, I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. I don't want. Oh, shoot. Can you even tell what the dog from the blanket? Like, look at that. Look at that. What is that? What in the world is that? Is that a Marshall? Why, he's so pretty, Marshall. Look, he looks like the blanket, like. And we got Zizzy Roo sleeping. And look, we got Rico. We got a Puerto Rico. Yeah. Oh, look at, we got tired babies. Look at that. OMG. Okay, alright, I'm handing the camera to you. We gotta deal with this problem. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, so we put 2 under here, 1 in the drawer. and one in here. You think it's in here, I think it's in here. Oh, I don't want to do this!
It's wiggling.
Okay.
What's behind door number 1?
Oh my god, I don't want to see it. I don't, this is not my ideal way to do this. It's not this one. It's not this one. Oh, it's not that one. Okay.
The other video is all humane.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's that. Oh, shit. It's alive. It's alive. Oh my god. Oh my god, we gotta do something. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jeez. Alright, cut the camera off. Sorry guys, cut. I love you. I'll see you later. I gotta deal with this. I gotta save its life and I gotta take it somewhere. Holy crap. Oh my god, how do we do this? Dog.
Put it in the bag.
Bro.
Put it in the bag.
No. We gotta like...
It's dead. It's not. It's just going through its death process.
No. We gotta save it. Doug. Turn that off. Turn it off. Cut. Bye. Bye. My heart is broke. I'm not kidding. Like I honestly do want to shed just a tiny tear. No. No.
If it's fine, it's fine. Let it outside.
It's not fine. It's fucking... You gotta go. Alright. It's fine. I'm fine. I just don't like seeing things suffer, so. But it's gonna die. Like, I just,
If we put it outside, an owl is gonna eat good.
yeah. Okay. Just keep that in my mind. God, it can't be in here. It's gotta go. Like, ugh. Jeez, it's already, look at it. It's already another foot of snow. Or, look at this. Like, all we wanted was some food. I'm sorry. Poor baby. Have heat vision?
Good.
Huh?
Some will smell it. He's resting.
No, he's gone. He's done. He's not coming back. That is, I watched him take his last breath. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that. I mean, I knew setting the trap it was gonna happen. Look at how much snow. Look at that. It's like, there's a lot of snow.
We'll go skiing tomorrow.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, I gotta take a deep breath, man. That was traumatic. Okay.
Last commentary.
I was just sad. Oh, I hate that. Ugh.
What'd you think was gonna happen?
I know. I can't believe it was the one in the... So another reason why we had to, is this rug is an antique rug, and one of them was chewing on my rug, literally chewed my rug. So it's got to go. And the thing is I didn't have any more of those live traps, and it was Thanksgiving. We couldn't get any more today, and all we had was these traps. So I guess this is what you have to do. And sorry for crying. My heart is huge. That's not my ideal way of dealing with things. I'd like to, rescue them, take them, a couple miles away, and then whatever happens from there, but anyways, whatever. Each man a cry, baby.